folks, this is Wendy with Homemaking with Mima. Today I am bringing you a thrift haul. I haven't done that in quite some time. And I was pretty selfish today because I shopped for myself and no one else. The only thing that I got that really wasn't for me was this. And I will show you at the end what I bought this little tiny jar for. Anyway, I've got some shirts here. As you can see, there's a theme here. These are all pink. At our thrift store today, at this thrift store that I went to, it was 75% off pink tagged items. And so as you can see, some of the prices here on some of these, okay? And then this as well. I got 75% off of all of this. I've got two wintry shirts. This one here is more like spring, fall, a summer shirt and a summer t-shirt. And what I paid at this thrift store, it totaled $21.75. With 75% off, I only paid $5.44. So that is a steal. That's a steal. And I had to write everything down. I have a cheat sheet here. Then we have a different thrift store as well. I've got a summery shirt here. I have a cookbook for myself. And I'm trying to be picky. But sometimes things just catch my eye. And I only paid $1 for it. And then I needed a laptop computer bag that I could carry around my laptop. I had to have, I had to be able to carry it on my shoulder. And so I purchased that as well. At that thrift store, the total came to $8.69. So for all of this right here that I purchased at the thrift store today, I paid $14.13. And I think that is a pretty darn good number, don't you think? Especially when you know, just at Walmart alone, I'm going to pay that much for probably just a t-shirt. And that jar that I purchased at the thrift store, I originally bought it for this, but this is too big. So instead of throwing it away, I put this in there, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually put my SOS pads in there, and I'll get different things for this as well for in the window. I want to thank you folks so much for joining me today. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel. Give the videos a thumbs up. And in the description box below, I'm going to put a link to my other thrift store hauls that I've done in the past. And I want you folks to make it a great day.